Okay, good evening folks. It is the 20th of June 2010. Just going to take a look at the Euro Yen for the week ahead. Looking at this chart here, we've had a pretty tight sort of week here, finishing off with a really tight inside day here on Friday. Basically, let's see, under 100 pips range, which is fairly unheard of really with the euro yen, with most of these yen pairs. So yeah, and we just kind of made it up to that 113.35 level. So this is still a kind of a hard one to call. I mean, when we open up this next week, this count's going to cancel itself out because we're going to be above the 111.74. So we really need to be below that to the end of the week to keep this count in place, the buy setup that we've got in play at the moment. Looking at the monthly chart, it's still bearish. No real levels though to be looking at on the monthly or the weekly. Really, there's really nothing to be watching out for here. On the daily, we are gonna complete a sell setup on Tuesday, but again, I mean, we've got to be above the 112.39 level, which was Wednesday's close, to complete that sell setup. So yeah, so I mean, just not really a great deal on this pair. I mean, I quite like this inside day actually, for possibly trading a breakout on Monday. Um, but again, I'll go through that in the later commentary. But I kind of prefer to probably use the inside day on the pound yen on this occasion, because we also had a tight inside day on the pound yen, and I feel that the pound has more sort of to run on it than the euro. The euro yen's already had a lot of weakness already, so I'm expecting the pound yen to come down and get to similar levels that the euro yen's sitting at the moment. So I'm going to try and take a sell on the pound yen, a breakout of Friday's low. But yeah, so this is another pair here. I think basically overall, looking at this whole kind of euro situation, we're seeing possibly signs of a bounce on the euro pound and the euro US dollar. So I'd probably prefer to leave this pair at the moment. Um, I mean, US dollar yen's also looking fairly weak. So if we get a bounce in the euro US dollar and a weak US dollar yen, then this pair's just going to stay pretty much where it is. Whereas I feel that the pound dollar and obviously the dollar yen's weak, so I think the pound yen will be the pair to look to trade. So yeah, so nothing really here that's making me want to get involved. So yeah, we'll just leave it at that, and we'll take another look on Monday and see how things are looking. Okay, cheers.